Hello. I noticed that the last recording, for some reason, was recorded at a really fast speed. So let me show you, if I can't fix that, how to change. Hold on, let me move this. How to change the speed if you need to. You go to the settings and the playback speed, and you can slow it down if it sounds too fast. It's really kind of funny. That's a little slow. So let's see, another setting. Yeah, I was having recording problems. So it sounds fast, but you can slow down the speed of the recording, just so you know, of the playback for you. So I'm going to move on to the next part of the story where Jack is learning how he hurt August's feelings. That's always very upsetting to know we've hurt someone's feelings. So let's see how this goes for Jack. And the title of the chapter is Why I Changed My Mind. Remember, he was going to go in the summer, visit the school to meet August, and at first he didn't want to. Who else did Mr. Tushman call? I asked Mom later that night. Did he tell you? He mentioned Julia and Charlotte. Julian, I said. Ugh, why Julian? You used to be friends with Julian. Mom, that was like in kindergarten. Julian's the biggest phony there is, and he's trying so hard to be popular all the time. Well, said Mom, at least Julian agreed to help this kid out. Got to give him credit for that. I didn't say anything because she was right. What about Charlotte? I asked. Is she doing it too? Yes, Mom said. Of course she is. Charlotte's such a goody two-shoes. I answered. Boy, Jack, said Mom, you seem to have a problem with everybody these days. It's just, I started. Mom, you have no idea what this kid looks like. I can imagine. No, you can't. You've never seen him. I have. It might not even be who you're thinking it is. Trust me, it is. And I'm telling you, it's really, really bad. He's deformed, Mom. His eyes are like down here. I pointed to my cheeks. And he has no ears. And his mouth is like... Jamie had walked into the kitchen to get a juice box from the fridge. Ask Jamie, I said. Right, Jamie? Remember that kid we saw in the park after school last year? The kid named August, the one with the face? Oh, that kid, said Jamie, his eyes opening wide. He gave me a nightmare. Remember, Mommy, that nightmare about the zombies from last year? I thought that was from watching the scary movie, answered Mom. No, said Jamie. It was from seeing that kid. When I saw him, it was like, ah, and I ran away. Wait a minute, said Mom, getting serious. Did you do that in front of him? I couldn't help it, said Jamie, kind of whining. Of course you could help it, Mom scolded. Guys, I have to tell you, I'm really disappointed by what I'm hearing here. And she looked like how she sounded. I mean, honestly, he's just a little boy, just like you. Can you imagine how he felt to see you running away from him? Jamie screaming? It wasn't a scream, are you, Jamie? It was like a, ah! He put his hands on his cheeks and started running around the kitchen. Come on, Jamie, said Mom angrily. I honestly thought both my boys were more sympathetic than that. What's sympathetic? Said Jamie, who was only going into the second grade. You know exactly what I mean by sympathetic, Jamie, said Mom. It's just he's so ugly, Mommy, said Jamie. Hey, Mom yelled, I don't like that word, Jamie. Just get your juice box. I want to talk to Jack alone for a second. Look, Jack, said Mom as soon as he left, and I knew she was about to give me a whole speech. Okay, I'll do it, I said, which completely shocked her. You will? Yes. So I can call Mr. Tushman? Yes, Mom, yes. I said yes. Mom smiled. I knew you'd rise to the occasion, kiddo. Good for you. I'm proud of you, Jackie. She messed up my hair. So here's why I changed my mind. It wasn't so I wouldn't have to hear Mom give me a whole lecture, and it wasn't to protect this August kid from Julian, who I knew would be a jerk about the whole thing. It was because when I heard Jamie talking about how he had run away from August going, ah, I suddenly felt really bad. The thing is, there are always going to be kids like Julian who are jerks. But if a little kid like Jamie, who's usually a nice enough kid, can be that mean, then a kid like August doesn't stand a chance in middle school. Aw, I'm glad he came to his senses. 4 things. First of all, you'd get used to his face. Sorry. First of all, you'd get used to his face. The couple of times I was like, whoa, I'm never going to get used to this. And then after about a week, I was like, it's not so bad. Second of all, he's actually a really cool dude. I mean, he's pretty funny. Like, the teacher will say something and August will whisper something funny to me that no one else hears and totally make me crack up. He's also just overall a nice kid. Like, he's easy to hang out with and talk to and stuff. Oh, look at this T to herd. That is not very helpful to readers. This T should be over here. To herd of all. Third of all, it should be. Third of all, he's really smart. I thought he'd be behind everyone because he hadn't gone to school before, but in most things, he's really ahead of me. I mean, maybe not as smart as Charlotte or Zimia, but he's up there. And unlike Charlotte or Zimia, he lets me cheat off of him. Oh, no. If I really need to. Oh, that's not good. Though I've only needed to a couple of times. He also let me copy his homework once, though we both got in trouble for it after class, as you should. The two of you got the exact same answers wrong on yesterday's homework, Miss Rubin said, looking at it, both of us like she was waiting for an explanation. I don't know what to say, because the explanation would have been, oh, that's because I copied August's work. Oops. But August lied to protect me. He was like, oh, that's because we did our homework together last night, which wasn't true at all. Well, doing homework together is a good thing, Miss Rubin answered, but you're supposed to still do it separately, okay? That is very hard to learn as a student. You help each other, but you come to your own answers. A teacher had to sneak in there and say that. Get separate answers, but you help each other. You could work side by side if you want, but you can't actually do your homework together, okay? Got it? As in giving each other answers. After we left the classroom, I said, dude, thanks for doing that. And he was like, no problem. That was cool. Fourthly, now that I know him, I would say I actually do want to be friends with August. At first, I admit it, I was only friendly to him because Mr. Tushman asked me to be especially nice and all that. But now I would choose to hang out with him. He laughs at all my jokes, and I kind of feel like I can tell August anything. Like he's a good friend. Like if all the guys in 5th grade were lined up against a wall and I got to choose anyone I wanted to hang out with, I would choose August. Ah, so nice. So now we will see how he fixes his friendship because August is still mad at him, as he kind of should be. So we'll see how this gets fixed when we return.